Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 3rd, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. First of all, I would like to wish you a happy new year, happy 2023. Let's hope that the problems that we are having right now are going to be solved this year. Inflation, war, everything. This is wishful thinking, but it's my wish. So let's start with the VIX. So if you remember in 2022, we looked at the VIX and we have identified this little bit of a pattern right here, an ascending triangle right here. Ascending triangle means that when we are going to cross the horizontal resistance at 2239, then we are breaking this micro trend right here and we should be going up. We have a break of this resistance right here. We are going a little bit higher and we are getting dangerously close to a stochastic over 60 on the VIX. So this would mean that the stock market could be taking a turn down because the VIX could be entering into a bullish trend. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is still above 32,874. So we are holding that support quite well. We have been holding that support for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. 8 days that we have been closing above 32,874. We are maintaining ourselves so far. We need to remember that we are in a downtrend. So basically, this index is supposed to go between these two lines right here. So we have been close to the support line on December 16th, 17th, and now we seem to be crossing this channel to go on the other side. Even though we are going sideways, maybe this is just a pause, and maybe we are going to cave into this downward resistance right here and go further down. So because we are making a little bit of a pattern right here with this support being held, I would see a break below 32,874 as a bearish sign. This could present a nice opportunity to short the market. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. Same thing here. We are maintaining ourselves quite well above 3,800 for SPX. SPX, we are basically into a congestion zone between 3902 and 3800. So again, here we are into a downtrend. This could just mean that we are just going sideways until we hit the downward resistance and then start going down further. So I would also see as a shorting opportunity a close below 3800. And let's take a look at Nasdaq Composite. Nasdaq Composite, I would say, is behaving a little bit differently. It's making higher lows. It's making higher lows right here. But if we pull back a little bit, then we see that it's basically into a big congestion zone. It's just that short term, we are going higher and higher. That's interesting. But I would see a break of 10,258 also as a bearish sign. If we pull back a little bit further, we have this big downward channel. So the stock market has been going down since the end of 2021, basically. And we are quite close still to this downward resistance. So we broke outside of it here a little bit and came back inside of it. So it's not impossible that if we break this, we could go quite far down because we would need to reach the other side of the downward channel, which could mean anything from 8,000 to 7,000. This has the potential of being a big move down, so just keep your eyes peeled for that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.